I am also going to sell some toys with other material, and the special key toys are spear, bow and arrow, sword, and mace. And the marketing will be like cards will be printed and given to nearby kids with small toys, so they will attract and come to the toy shop. And toy shop app will be developed so that kids can select the toys and place orders. I did the special key toys because I love the Mahabharata characters, so I want to create weapons of toys like Yudhishthir had spear, Arjun had bow and arrow, Nakul and Sahadev had sword, and Bhim had mace. Thank you.
Very nice. Good job, Anay. This is a very unique thought. So it's a good idea. So parents, any comment from your side?
Small kids also can use this because now the plastic toys will not give to the small, but bamboo we can give it to the small kids.
Yeah, very good point. So Anay, the idea is very good because it doesn't require any plastic. Very good. Yes, anybody?
And it will be totally, sir, it would be made in India.
Wow.
It would not be made in China.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah. Good job.
Impact of lockdown, kids are watching Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yeah. So inspiration from the Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yeah.
Very nice. So good job, Anay. We should work on something, make some prototype, make some toy with this, and show it to everybody. Okay. So now we'll go on to Tamanna. Tamanna, you there?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So go ahead. We can hear you now. Yeah.
Just 1 minute, Prem.
Yeah. Yes. Got it. We can see it. Yes, Tamanna.
Now you can see?
Yes.
Mute you.
Shining dress.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tamanna and I study in 3rd grade. My idea is handmade and customized clothes for Barbie dolls. About shop. My company name is Shining Dresses. My company's punchline is dresses you love. This is my logo. And this is example of Ghagra Choli, handmade Ghagra Choli. This I made it at home.
Wow.
With help of my mother.
Fantastic.
Shining dress, beautiful frock, t-shirts, leggings, jacket, top, Ghagra Choli, jeggings, palazzo, jeans, Punjabi dresses, winter wear, gown, night dress, summer wear. We offer all this. Prices ranges 100 to 1500 rupees, 2 to $25. Source of raw material. I will get the raw material from unusual clothes from tailor, unusual material from sofa maker, alteration professional clothes shop. Who will make the clothes? Tailor, anyone who know stitching, like housewife, grandma, teenager, and ladies. Places to sell. You can order it from my website www.shining.com. My app, online selling, Amazon, toy shop, malls, clothes shop, annual concept. We take customized order through our website app. Check out our amazing collection. These two are made by my mother and me. We made it at home from unusual material. Unusual clothes.
Wow.
This is a frock and this is a ghagra choli.
Wow.
This is Indian wear and this is Western wear. You can give this order. And this is office wear and this is winter wear. Future plan. My future plan is after 1 year, I will introduce the handmade and customized clothes for soft toys like this. Amazing dresses. Thank you.
Wow. This is really amazing idea. Very nice. And you have detailed very nice. Everything is detailed out. Now what I will do, I will be the first customer to buy your dresses and the Barbie doll.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And you should certainly work on this and make the idea. I will also help you to create your website, domain names, registration and all that. So we can
Thank
really
you,
do
sir.
this. So along with your education, along with your academic, you should also do this. This is a really nice idea.
Okay.
Good job. Any parents want to comment?
Good idea.
Very nice, Tamanna. I think she had done a very detailed planning. She has also introduced, dollar rates, so she has plans to export it also, I think.
Wow.
And sir, here I'm Tamanna's mother. Actually, I would like to share my experience with Tamanna. Earlier, like when you have asked to do this task, like I was bit like not sure that how I will make her understand the concept and everything. But then, like on the first question itself, she has suggested that I want to make a handmade clothes for Barbie, and that's my idea. And then I have started asking just the probing questions. Now, can you find the places? See, Barbie clothes, like for an example, like Barbie clothes require very little piece of clothes. So from where we can buy the material or where we can get the material. So like mostly it like she has given so much nice answers. So it's like a very amazing side of kids we are seeing because of you. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Actually, these guys have really great IQ. I think we have to just give them an environment so that they will certainly explore and do more. Now, one more important point is, in India, we have not encouraged this entrepreneurship at the child level at all. So, and we should certainly do it. If you look at US, children are doing the app development. They are doing, candy shop. They are doing so many great things. It is not about money, but it is about, learning the new things. It's about coming up with the newer ideas and implement those ideas. And India, right? The culture, the kind of tradition, the kind of system we have, it's unbelievable, right? Every state has its own food. Every state has its own dresses. Every state has its own language. So we are not using any of that learnings to take it outside India. Like she has come up with the dresses for Indian tradition. I think this is a unique. I mean that we should take it further. And this is a really nice concept. We should take out India's tradition to the world. Good job. Yeah. So
Thank you, sir.
Good. So next is Shoria, right? Yes.
So, hello friends, my name is Shaurya. I am in grade 3. I am going to tell the concept about ATB, Anytime Battery, and BSS Battery Swapping Station, alternative for battery recharging station. This concept is alternative for... Why can't you simply get a fully charged battery instead of waiting for the battery to charge? Battery swapping technology will eliminate wait time for charging, make better use of land, reduce the size of batteries in vehicles and will give an increased available runtime. Battery swapping will allow consumers to replace depleted batteries with fully charged ones in just a few minutes, instead of recharging, which can take several hours. The possibilities for battery swapping placement are endless. It can be fuel pump station, a restaurant, an ATM, a gym. That's really no place that's out of bounds. This concept is alternative for fuel stations, for battery recharge stations. Today, if we buy an electric car, we need the charging stations. We require a lot of space and resources to park the vehicles, to change them, as it will take few hours to change the vehicle. If we go with this ATB and BSS concept, we can swap the batteries in a few minutes, and it also doesn't need much space and resources, as we can use existing fuel stations in restaurants on highway. Concept of battery swapping stations. A battery swapping and charging station is an energy refueling station where electric vehicle with depleted batteries can swap them with fully charged batteries. The depleted swapped batteries are charged. A strategically planned BSS can ensure fast swapping and extend the travel range. To fully utilize the potential of BSS, the electric vehicle battery should be easily replaceable and accessible to one and all. For this, there would interaction of station with electric vehicle owner, station owner with power system. So electric vehicle owner will pay the fees online or with cash, and battery swapping station will swap their battery and the electric vehicle owner will go. So which batteries need the refill, the battery swapping station will interact with power system and get the refill the batteries. Critical characteristic of battery swapping stations. Another critical characteristic of battery swapping stations is the ability to self-serve conveniently. A simple digital authentication along with a seamless digital payment can offer up access to the actual battery. Given the battery's low weight, it's quite easy for anyone to simply simply pick up and swap in the respective 2, 3 or 4-wheeler. Ultimately, it's as light as carrying a full grocery bag. Convenience, cost and scalability for India's rapidly growing micro-mobility EV segment, it's quite clear that battery swapping will be the form factor to beat in the future. Thank you.
Amazing. So it's an idea which probably further down the engineering students and similar grades people, they share it. So you have come up with this idea is just excellent actually. This is a very complicated topic and you have simplified it so well. So I like your idea. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Any comments, parents?
Yeah, I think to be honest,
Very good, Shaurya.
yeah, Prem, this will be a future, right? I mean, outside India also and inside India also. This will be a future.
Yeah.
And Shaurya, this is a great idea because, as the electric vehicle comes, and charging time is a lot of there, right? So if I am going to Mumbai and if I have to wait for 2 hours in Lonavala, it's painful. So swapping could be very useful. So I like your idea. Thank you. Excellent.
Thank
Good
you.
job. So now who is next after Shaurya? Aaron, you're there? Yes.
Yes.
Unmute your lines. Okay, good. Go ahead.
Vishnu?
Wow. You'll have to unmute your line, Aaron. We can't hear you. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Aaron, we can't hear you. Hold on. Share it again now. Share the screen again and unmute your line. You're out. Yeah, now we can hear you. Good. Yeah, share it again. Yeah, it is coming up. Yeah, we can see it. Good. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aaron. Today, I will tell you about my project of waste management to make Earth clean and green.
Don't annotate anybody. Please don't write on the screen.
We
Yeah, go
have
ahead.
lot of population in the world. The world generates 2 billion tons of solid waste annually. Unless urgent action is taken, global waste will increase 70% to 34 billion tons by 2050.
Nobody writes on the screen. Don't play with the mouse. Please don't do it. Who is playing with the mouse? Hello? Yes. Hold on. Aaron, do one thing. Share it again. Stop and share it again, please. Or you go ahead. We can understand. Please go ahead. Yeah, share it again if possible. Yeah. You made really nice presentation.
There are 7 types of waste that we produce: organic waste, paper waste, e-waste, devices waste, plastic waste, glass waste, metal waste, and mixed waste. I am concentrating on organic waste and plastic waste. I am planning to make a factories to recycle the plastic waste. For this, I will collect plastic from different societies and I will sort different types of plastic. Then I will bale it. Then I will crush it, wash it. Then regenerate in a machine. And I will reproduce plastic and supply to different factories to make compass box, torch, water bottle, and clothes. Part 2. Dealing with or kitchen waste. I will collect all the organic waste and make compost. From here we will put the kitchen waste and microbes, then it will be mixed, then it will be compost, then it from here the fertilizer will come and we will take compost and close it. I have started making compost at my home and use it to grow different plants. Rose, carrot, lemon. I growed the lemon with seeds and it is 3 years old. Lily, parsley, tomato. I growed tomato with the slice after the lockdown.
Wow.
Thank you.
Very nice. Good. Aaron got dropped. Aaron, we could hear you. Yeah, we could hear now.
Yes. Sir, finished.
All right. So, Aaron, it's a very nice idea. Your idea is very, very bright. Actually, we should really do this because the waste the quantity of waste is really getting up, right? So, making a reusable, making an organic compost is a really nice idea and very practical also. So, good job. Your presentation is very nice. We couldn't see it, so you should send it to all. Very nice presentation. Good job. Good job, Aaron. Any comments for Aaron? Okay, so Tanay, I think there is a noise. Yeah, Tanay, please go ahead. There is a bit of noise.
Yeah.
Sir, my father is going.
Morning, everyone. Prem sir, I did not get much time to talk or discuss about this with Tanay.
No problem.
So he is not that prepared, but I just wanted to kind of tell, let him convey whatever is there in his mind. He will use pen and paper to kind of explain what he thought about. And then later on, I will work with him to put that into.
Yes. So Tanay, it's absolutely fine that you can share it on the paper or the drawing or anything. You don't need to have a very big presentation also. It's important is that you have an idea. Any format is okay. You can just talk about it. That is itself is good enough. Okay, go ahead.
Sir,
Talk about the problem.
sir, I'm going to tell the problem first. Sir, I'm going to tell the problem first.
Yes.
My sister every morning goes in the hall and spread all the toys over the house. So I made a toy organizer. I've made it. I've made it and did the drawing also.
Wow. Explain about the toy organizer, what you would do there. Yeah, very nice. You can see that. Can you explain what it is?
See,
Very
sir,
nice.
this. See, here will be a magnetic board like in our school, and here will be whiteboard, and in this one part there will be drawers, and in this one it will be for hanging one part, and here will be a door.
Very nice. Yeah, so it's a good good idea that you can store all your little ones' toys in here, organized fashion. You will have a board also on top of it. You have a door also. So very nice idea. Good job, Tanay.
See this one part.
Yeah, we can see it.
Whiteboard, and this is magnetic board.
So other side will be magnetic. Explain the other side.
Other side will be magnetic board, and here are the drawers here.
Very nice.
Here are to hang some shoes or someone's soft toys.
Very nice. So we may get dropped. Everybody need to reconnect again. So Tanay, good job. Your idea is really bright. Brilliant idea.
Sir, if I have time, I have another idea also.
Okay, go ahead. You have few minutes, few seconds. Go ahead.
So I will.
We will be stopped any minute now. Tanay.
We will have to rejoin.
Rejoin.
Yeah, everybody rejoin please, everyone. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, sir.